Well, the short answer is that if you are not a personal injury attorney that devotes themselves to trucking cases, it's just about impossible to get anywhere and get any measure of justice. It would be like asking a person with no prior experience as a pilot to fly an airplane. These are complicated and hard-fought cases that often last years, with hundreds of steps involved on the journey to justice. Along the way, a good trucking attorney is going to act quickly to preserve vital evidence before it is changed, hidden, or destroyed. The attorney will know all the rules that professional truck drivers have to follow, including the CDL manual, the federal motor carrier safety regulations, and be familiar with industry and company safety standards, and will check to see whether those rules have been followed. For example, we will check on whether the truck driver was even qualified to drive, sometimes they aren't, whether the trucking company failed to do what it was supposed to do, and whether there were violations that led to this collision and contributed to its severity. And then from there, the attorney will engross themselves in your case to fully understand the issues, down to the minutiae. Oftentimes, we have to study a subject in order to understand experts who may have been working in that area for decades. So for example, on a recent case, we had to learn the science behind digital videos and photography, including lens distortion, the types of frames involved in a video, and camera timing. The issue is different on each and every case, but invariably there is always something that needs diving into. One of the things I love about this job is that you never stop learning. And a good trucking attorney will do exactly that. Always be curious and never stop learning.